Okay guys, what's up? We're gonna play right now Porsche 911 993 body, right? Yeah, 993 is gonna, okay, it's ready. Can you hold it, please? Okay, now, let's go. Boom, boom. Please. Please, Ukrainian! Stop playing Ukrainian! Ukrainцы! You don't need this. It's huge damage, Ukrainian. Man, I wish I'm gonna get for this price. I wish, please. Please! Please! Boom. Oh my goodness. Oh, New Bitter, Florida. Oh man, I can get for this price, but did you see how happened? Sometimes you can get for good price, sometimes like you like overpay, you know? Like this car is with shipping is gonna be here like what? Like a lot, you know? Oh, my brother there, he can pick it up. It's California. What is that car? Look at it.
San Jose.
Ukrainian. Did you see? I can get for 1,000 less, and one Florida beat it and messed up whole my situation, you know? Reason why I'm trying to buy it because it's same color like this Ferrari. It's gonna match it, you know? Come on. 18 grand already, please. That's a lot, man. That's a lot for this car, please. Stupid. Please. 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 I don't know what they doing, you know, because it's per sale. You can get, like, if I win, I guarantee I'm gonna, please. Why bonus time? It's ridiculous price, you know, like 18,000 is gonna be with fee. Oh, I won. I won. High five. Okay, I won. I'm gonna show you how much I have to pay. Okay, I want this car for, man, I paid a lot. I think I pay a lot. I want this car. Oh my goodness, did you see how much I pay? I have to, no, or they usually this car costs 77,000. Insurance pays 77,000, right? How much I can get from this car? What do you think? Should I pay it out or should I fix it? I think I can, dude. I think I wanna fix it, dude. I don't care. I can buy whole bag, you know. I'm gonna drop off the engine. Maybe it's gonna be my project. Guys, let me know what you guys thinking. It's a little bit damage in the back. Just a little bit. Let's move around. But it's close, San Jose. But I don't like this color interior. But this is beautiful car, you know. It's 993 body. 993? Or 996?
It said 993.
Engine looks clean, you know. 104,000 miles. Actual miles. Just quarter panel, or I have to replace it, right? Quarter panel.
Oh yeah, it's all twisted.
Yeah, whole back, you know. But 1 second, let's check it out how much I have to pay. Boom, boom, boom. I think I'm gonna get this car today. I'm gonna call my guy. He is going to pick it up because it's, what is that?
San Jose.
San Jose, it's super close? Or is Los Angeles?
That's the Bay Area. 2
Oh,
hours
Bay
away from
Area.
here.
Alright, okay. Okay, I'm gonna, oh, 97 is good year. Carrera 2, I don't know what this mean. And this is the insurance car. Let's go to my purchase. I have to pay less. I know for sure less. Okay. Okay. Copart sold through Copart. No, it didn't say yet. I have to, when I get the paperwork, they're gonna tell me. Okay, guys. Oh shoot, dude, look at this, how much I have to pay. So this car cost me 20 grand here. 19,666. I don't like 666. 666. Okay. Okay. I went for this car for 18,700. They charge me like mostly $1,000, right? $1,000 for fee and plus delivery. Okay, let me call to my guy if he can pick it up. 1 second. Yo. Okay, guys, I got Lamborghini. It's me. Oh, look at you, dude. I like your hairstyle. My brother picked it up from Florida, Lamborghini. So look at this. It looks sick, you know. Are you driving with your girlfriend or with your wife?
Wife.
Oh, you already made it. What are we talking about, dude? Before that?
The Porsche.
Oh, about Porsche. Okay. Oh, yeah. I have to. The heck was my phone? Look at this.
Time for a new one.
Okay, so just reset it. Okay. Let me call my tow guy. Maybe he can pick it up the car. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, we just received the Porsche 911. For this piece of Porsche, I paid 20 grand. I'm right?
Scrap metal.
Looks like something burned, but it's not that bad.
Get the pictures essential, right?
Вовремя.
Oh, this is airbox, да? О, здесь тоже или это просто... Ну, это dirty. This...
Looks like they used that
Я такой этот...
fire extinguisher.
Yes, yes. Oh shit, oil leaking, right? Engine's damaged, да, наверное?
Not necessarily. Or was it just the axle or something moved out and there might be the training leaking out of the axle? Or a transmission or whatever. Just
Я говорю, but look at this way. $20,000 for this car and burnt engine. I wouldn't even give if I check this car with my both eyes. I would never give that much for this car.
I know, for sure, dude. Okay, guys, we just fix it. We just fix it. Yeah, we just put it on the wheels inside and looks normal. Looks like supposed to be, you know. So now it's like 5,000 more. So if anybody interested, 25 grand, you're gonna have it. Beautiful Porsche. We're not gonna show you guys front. We're gonna fix it right now. Guys, the engine looks good, but I'm not sure because we can see the oil here, you know. So I hope it's good, you know, because the reason why I bought this car because of the engine. Engine is kind of expensive, but look at the damage. It's like unbelievable, you know. It's like it's just smash. It's smash. Oh, it's perfect. Sure, it's good, you know. It's this car is just. I mean, this I call the salvage. This is the salvage, right? Yeah, this is the salvage.
clean salvage.
No, it's not. It's but I can see the What is this? Like someone just installed the shocks on the car. Good shocks, coilovers. Coilovers. Oh, door is working. Door panels is good. Seats looks really clean, really clean. Maybe something here. Nope. No money. No honey. What is this? I don't know. I'm not Porsche guy, so I don't know what is this. So guys, I'm gonna, I think, party out the car. Let me know if anybody needs something from this Porsche. Guys, we make him damage for, from the Lamborghini Urus. He's too heavy, so he's not gonna take any more Lamborghini. So. Keep going!
Давай, давай!
Нормально, нормально, да?
Ха, попал. That's it.
Hey, so last night we just washed the car. My brother come help me. Not this one. Actually, this one also.
Taking this off?
Yeah, let's take it off. No, 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 not like that, dude.
I forgot.
I need
Clean,
a cover.
I forgot clean title.
Yes, this is clean title with light damage on the side. Right?
Light?
Yeah. Okay guys, we don't know yet what we're gonna do with this car, but I know for sure I'm gonna do something cool, something interesting. Okay, we take it off the front suspension, and someone installed the expensive shocks. They like about 3 grand now, whole set for shocks, and we have to put a new knuckle. What is the knuckle? I don't know what is the knuckle. It's we have to replace the fender, door, and whole car.
Hey, but this door and fender is good.
Yeah.
Except for the back right here.
No, we take it off already. The can you hold a little bit? We take it off already the intake, and we can see it's a little bit burn over here. But engine is good. It's after accident. It start fire a little bit. I turned the engine already. It's turning. You know. It's good. So it's good thing. And what else is here? I mean, here is everything bad. You know, like whole side. Subframe is bad. Engine is good. Only some plastic scratches. You know,
really
engine. No, engine is good. Engine is good. It does the big plus because engine is pretty expensive. You know. And next video we're gonna show you something with this car. What we're gonna do. So, guys, Gino,
Yeah.
you like this color?
It's nice.
Hmm?
It's like
You always touching like a girl. Touching everywhere. Come on, dude. This is the Porsche.
what?
Okay, guys, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned.
We'll see you guys next time.